Profitable greetings to each of you. Friends, we have decided to introduce a new category of crypto news and call it Scalper News. In our debut issue, we'll tell you about the most important and interesting events of the past week. So I suggest you immediately support the video with a like and a subscription. After all, this is the best motivation for us. Well, let's find out what happened in the world of cryptocurrencies last week. Let's go! So the loudest event of the last week was Bloody Friday. Bitcoin went up 40,000 and at the time of the video was traded about 35. The total capitalization of the crypto market over the past 12 hours has dipped by more than 10%. As a result of a powerful collapse in prices for crypto assets, about 233 billion was liquidated from the trading floors. As a result, the total market capitalization indicator fell below 2 trillion for the first time since the end of September. A significant amount, right? Along with Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies also went down. Ethereum is trading about 2,500, Solana is approaching 100, and the Binance Exchange coin is trading below 400. We think that many of our viewers most likely don't even go into their wallet because they are very red. Therefore, we suggest writing you the current indicators of your wallet in the comments, as well as your attitude to the ongoing events. Do you believe that now the crypto will reach a minimum and everyone will forget about it? Or you are a crypto optimist who believes in the future of cryptocurrencies and is now buying more on discounts? Be sure to share your opinion. Speaking of crypto optimists, the president of El Salvador announced that the state of El Salvador right now replenished its wallet with 410 bitcoins, which equals $15 million. In his opinion, some of the sellers gave too good a price and they decided to take advantage of it. At the same time, the Central Bank of Russian Federation announced its position regarding cryptocurrencies. The bank advocated a complete ban on the circulation of cryptocurrencies in Russia and proposed a ban not only on the issuance and circulation of cryptocurrencies but also on mining. Telegram founder Pavel Durov criticized the proposal of the Bank of Russia to ban mining and operation with cryptocurrencies in the Russian Federation. According to him, this will lead to an outflow of IT specialists from the country and destroy high-tech industries. After the publication of this news, much remains unclear. After all, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, and how exactly the central bank plans to control the movement of finance, it's now unclear. Now, let's move on to the news about the Binance Exchange. The exchange completed its 18th token burn last week, thus reducing their number. In the current realities of the bearish movement, this event didn't particularly affect to the growth of the coin, and the current price leaves much not be desired. Another interesting news is the experiment of a British journalist. He created a fake account on LinkedIn. In his resume, in his CV, he indicated that he graduated from Cambridge Law School and also worked in anti-money laundering departments in leading banks. It was mentioned that the potential employer even held a senior position at Coinbase. Of course, in reality, he doesn't have all these skills and experience. However, this didn't stop the journalist from passing for interviews at Binance, after which he was offered a place at Binance with an annual salary of £160,000. He also noted that he became eligible for a bonus payout of 60,000 in BNB after a fixed amount of work. Binance said all positions are initially offered on a conditional basis and are subject to rigorous screening by an independent third party. About whom exactly there is a speech, the stock exchange didn't specify. As a result, it remains unclear whether the exchange was really ready to hire a fake artist without carefully checking the authenticity of his offer. Before moving on to another section, we would like to recommend you a super Telegram bot. Our incredible Scalper bot will definitely help you to increase your budget on trading. A link to the bot is in the description. Let's go further. Let's see what happened to the NFT market during this time. The morning of January 21 began for members of the crypto community with the news that non-fungible tokens can now be set as an avatar on Twitter. Many celebrities were quick to take advantage on this opportunity. Tennis player Serena Williams was one of the first to install NFT instead of the usual photo on the avatar of her Twitter account. CryptoPunk-style pixelated image appeared on her profile. This trend was also supported by Eminem. He chose NFT from Bored Ape Yacht Club collection. to this trend also is joined by Snoop Dogg. A pixelated CryptoPunk-style avatar appeared on his Twitter account. Together with Twitter, Meta also decided to join NFT movement and plans to allow users to post their NFTs on the Facebook and Instagram platforms. The tech giant plans to launch an NFT marketplace. The company is now working on a feature that allows you to create, list and sell NFTs onto two popular social networks. Indeed, the popularity of NFTs is growing and is no longer dependent on the events associated with the movements of Bitcoin. Many people integrate these tokens into their platforms, create unique works and sell them for a lot of money. We will continue to monitor this market and share it with you. So tell me guys, how do you like our pilot issue? Be sure to write in the comments what news should be in our videos. Write your opinion about current events and don't forget to like this video. This is how you help to promote it. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel, like this video and make crazy profits together with the Scalper bot.